Hi, everyone. This is Joe Ross, and this is the second chat that we're doing. We're still trying to get things right so that we can chat to you once a week or so. Although uh, next next week, in fact, the next 4 weeks, I will be traveling in Europe, and so I'm not sure if I can do a chat or not. I will try. If you don't see it, then you know that I wasn't able to because you never know what kind of internet connection you're going to get or what kind of lighting there will be in hotel rooms and so forth. But I will try and let you know what's happening with the markets. And today, I have something that's really on my mind. I spoke with a friend of mine in South Africa who has become a really good trader. He's a professional trader. He wasn't always, but he is now. And he said, Joe, he said, there's one thing that people need to know, and that's that being a full-time trader does not mean sitting and trading all day. Yeah, being a full-time trader means generating full-time income. I hope I'm quoting him, but that's what he said when we spoke a couple of days ago. Right? Generating full-time income is what is being a full-time trader. Not sitting in front of the screen and trading all the time, not taking wild chances in the market just to have a trade. Okay? And what you want to do is you want your account, your margin money to work for you, not you work for it. And while you're building an account, I know that a lot of you don't have a lot of money, and certainly not enough to make a living from it. Nevertheless, if you sit and trade all day, you probably end up losing. It's not what trading is. When you became a trader, you did so because you wanted to be free. You wanted to be able to live anywhere in the world that you wanted, to be your own man or your own woman, to not have to answer to a boss, to not have to punch a time clock, to be free, truly free to live and work anywhere in the world, that you could get an internet connection and get data and see your charts and be able to trade. But that doesn't mean trading all the time. A professional trader, which is what most of you want to be unless you already are, you sit for a few minutes, right? Most of your work is done as preparation. They say it should be 80% preparation and only 20% perspiration. I think with trading, it should be 95% preparation and 5% perspiration because it only takes you a few seconds or a few minutes to trade. I allow an hour and a half a day, each day, for trading. But rarely do I have to trade more than 20 minutes. Rarely. I mean, it's a rare thing for me to have to trade more than 20 minutes to earn a good living trading. And my living is not extravagant. I live very, very modestly. I live in a very small house, not a big house. You know, I don't have a lot of things. I don't even have a car. I purposely moved to a place where I could walk to everything. I can walk to the supermarket and to the bank and to the phone company and to the doctor and to everything that I need is within walking distance of my house. Okay, the house is small. I don't know if it's even 1,200 square feet. It's more like an apartment, but it is a house. And I do have a small yard and a garden, and that's all I need. Never have been an extravagant person. When I lived in South Africa, I lived up in the mountains in basically what you would call a hut. Yeah, I didn't have anything. We didn't even have hot and cold running water. We collected rainwater to drink. Okay, so just to show you, that the lifestyle I have is not owning a boat and not owning a race car and not owning my own airplane. I could, but I don't choose to do that because I would rather be free. I'm not trying to make tons and tons of money trading all day because I found out long ago that it doesn't work. The longer you sit in front of the screen, the more dull you become, the more tired you become. And for those of you who might be new to this chat and you're wondering about my gravelly voice, this is my normal voice. There's nothing wrong with your set. There's nothing wrong with your internet connection or your headphones or however you listen to the internet. Right? This is a normal voice for me. So that's the message I have for today. It's not long, and it's in keeping with what I'm trying to tell you. You don't need to sit and trade all day. You're trading, if it's well planned, well prepared, you might trade 1 or 2 times a week. Rarely do I trade every day. I don't need to, and you don't need to either. You want your trades to be the ones that count, the ones that have been carefully chosen and selected according to plan, according to the parameters that you have for the trade, and let the market come to you. Don't go chasing it. You're going to find that if you wait, if you sit on your hands, as they say, sit on your hands and wait, you'll make more money trading less than you will by trading more. And this is something we teach in our seminars and in private tutoring, is that the less you trade, the more money you'll make. I promise you that it's true. I guarantee that it's true. Just try it. And people always object and say, you're out of your mind. But no, I'm not out of my mind. Okay? I know from experience that the less you trade, the more money you'll make. So trade less, but trade better. Make your trades be good quality. Okay, that's it for today. I will try to talk to you next week, possibly from Italy, where I will be. If not there, then I will try from Romania, which I will be then after that, and try to get to you with a broadcast. Okay. As they say here in Uruguay, where I live, pase bien, which means, go well, have a good day.